GMC Sierra key fobs often fail due to dead batteries, synchronization problems, or antenna module issues. Battery issues account for 60 to 70% of cases, while synchronization and antenna problems are also common. First, replace the CR232 battery by prying open the fob, swapping the battery with positive side up, and reassembling. If battery replacement doesn't work, relearn the fob. For 24 plus models with push-button start, enter programming mode via the driver's door switch. Alternatively, cycle the ignition on-off multiple times, then press the lock button. A horn honk confirms successful syncing. If problems persist, the antenna module may be faulty. It's typically near the driver's side mirror or under the dash. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for codes like B13E25, indicating device power circuit issues. When basic fixes like battery replacement or relearning fail, antenna module issues are often the cause. The antenna module can develop corrosion, wiring damage, or voltage issues. It should receive 12 volts power. Replacement costs range from $300 to $600. GM released a software update in mid-2024, recall number 24V456, for 2023-2025 Sierra models. This addresses Bluetooth interference and is available via dealership OTA or in-person flashing. Consider upgrading to GM's My Chevrolet app for keyless entry. This reduces reliance on physical fobs and is available in over 40% of new GMC vehicles. The future points to fully keyless systems using ultra-wideband technology in smartphones, phasing out physical fobs entirely. While battery swaps and relearning are often DIY fixable, antenna problems may require professional help. Remember to perform annual fob checks, apply security updates, and consult forums like gmtrucks.com.